The video is about getting rid of the ransomware called GanP. Ransomware encrypts files and demands ransom payment. It generates this ransom note that you should contact the developers of this ransomware to get your files and other data returned. So the ransomware basically adds this special extension called GanP to all your important files that you store on your Windows computer. This includes Microsoft Office files like Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint. This of course includes your pictures, your music, your video files and other private information that you may store on your computer. Then the ransomware note says that you need to get in touch with these criminals who stand behind it to get your files back. But the point is that paying this ransom, of course, is a serious mistake because there is no guarantee that you will get your files actually restored. And some people who have paid that ransom, of course, did not get their files back. They were not decrypted, and what's more, they had lost their money. So if somehow your files got encrypted by this GanP ransomware, you need to immediately undertake certain measures to get that ransomware removed or deleted as soon as possible. Now, I recommend you to download a special program called Combo Cleaner. It will help you to detect the exact place where the ransomware GanP is located on your Windows computer. It will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your computer against all further ransomware attacks. Also, a Combo Cleaner will help you to prevent these annoying ads from popping up and will help you to fix other problems that could take place with your Windows computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, this is the way it looks like. There are 3 scan types available: Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The premium version is required if you would like to fully enjoy the feature called anti-malware and anti-ransomware. So you will only be able to activate these 2 important features, these 2 important security mechanisms with the premium version of the program. Anti-malware scanner, it helps potential infections in the early stages. So that's the way to get your computer fully protected against all possible threats, infections, viruses, and other types of malware. Anti-ransomware feature, once it is enabled, protects your files from being encrypted. By the way, you may add a special folder where you will store all your important documentation that will be duly protected by the Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after you select your preferred scanned type, click on Start Scan, and the program will begin the checkup and the analysis of your computer. Not only will it detect problems related to threats like malware, ransomware, or viruses, it will also help you to fix and recover your browser from unwanted ads, redirections, intrusive push notifications, and other types of intrusive adware. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the report about the threats and their exact location on your computer. The good thing is that Combo Cleaner antivirus helped us to protect our computer and are important documentation from being encrypted by the ransomware. Therefore, use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully protected against all sorts of contemporary threats. And you may find the link to download the program in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.